IKEA has long been a haven for affordable, stylish, and functional home furnishings. From iconic pieces that have stood the test of time to newer designs that perfectly capture modern tastes, these 30 best-selling items showcase why IKEA remains a household name in the USA. Here's a comprehensive list of IKEA's most popular products, packed with interesting details and prices. 1. Billy Bookcase, $69. The Billy Bookcase, which sells every 5 seconds globally, remains one of IKEA's all-time bestsellers. Launched in 1979, it's a customizable, versatile storage solution that's perfect for any home. Whether used as a standalone or in a full home library setup, this timeless piece is essential for book lovers and DIY enthusiasts. 2. Kallax Shelf Unit, $59.99. The grid-like structure of the Kallax is beloved for its endless versatility. Use it as a room divider, bookshelf, or storage cubby. Its modular nature allows for various configurations, making it a must-have for small spaces and large areas alike. 3. Strandmon Wing Chair, $429. Inspired by IKEA's 1951 MK chair, the Strandmon wing chair offers classic design with modern comfort. Known for its durability, this chair has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it can last for over 50,000 uses, making it perfect for any living room. 4. Hemnes 6-drawer chest, $349.99. A beloved classic, the Hemnes series is known for its traditional style and high-quality craftsmanship. The 6-drawer chest offers ample storage space while maintaining a timeless aesthetic, making it a great choice for bedrooms. 5. Stockholm Rug, $229.99. The black and white striped Stockholm rug is an enduring IKEA staple. Launched in 2006, this hand-woven rug adds a touch of Scandinavian style to any room and remains a popular choice for its durability and affordable price. 6. Poang Armchair, $99. With its curved wooden frame and simple design, the Poang chair has been a mainstay since the 1970s. Offering both comfort and style, it's a favorite for living rooms and reading nooks alike. 7. Malm Bed Frame, $199. Known for its clean lines and minimalistic design, the Malm Bed Frame remains a top seller. The underbed storage options and affordable price make it a popular choice for modern bedrooms. 8. Fracta Shopping Bag, $1. No IKEA trip is complete without the iconic blue Fracta bag. It's durable, reusable, and multifunctional, perfect for laundry, groceries, or moving. 9. Lax Side Table, $12.99. This simple, affordable side table has been a bestseller for decades. It's versatile and lightweight, easily fitting into any space or decor. 10. RASKOG Utility Cart, $39.99. This compact cart is ideal for kitchen storage, craft supplies, or even bathroom organization. Its sleek industrial design and rolling wheels make it a versatile piece for any home. 11. Nagg Box, $12.99. Made from solid wood, this storage box is both stylish and functional. It's stackable and can be customized with paint or other finishes to suit your decor. 12. Pax Wardrobe, $450. IKEA's customizable Pax Wardrobe system offers endless storage solutions for clothing, shoes, and accessories. It can be tailored to fit any space and needs, making it a top pick for homeowners. 13. Ivar Storage System, $260. Dating back over 50 years, the Ivar storage system is a flexible and customizable solution for all your organizational needs. With its unfinished pine wood, it's a favorite for DIYers looking to add a personal touch. 14. EAD Cabinet, $60. This modular storage solution allows you to create your own setup, from a single cube to a full wall unit. Its sleek design fits well in modern spaces. 15. Farri Mug, 99 cents. The Farri line of mugs is affordable and durable, making it one of IKEA's most popular kitchen items. Available in several colors, it's a great staple for any home. 16. Aplaro Outdoor Furniture, $150, $500. This affordable and durable outdoor furniture line offers stylish pieces for patios and balconies. Made from sustainably sourced wood, it's built to withstand weather conditions while offering a chic look. 17. Cub Storage Boxes, $14.99. These fabric storage boxes are ideal for organizing clothes, shoes, and accessories in closets and underbeds. They're collapsible, making them a space-saving solution for small homes. 18. Carlstad Sofa, $499. With its boxy silhouette and wide range of upholstery options, the Carlstad sofa has been a top seller for years. It's known for its durability and comfort, making it a great investment for living rooms. 19. Ribba Frame, $9.99. The simple, clean lines of the Ribba Frame make it an ideal choice for gallery walls and photos. It's a popular option for those looking to add art to their home without breaking the bank. 20. Verigan Glasswar, $2.99, $9.99. This line of glassware offers vintage-inspired design at an affordable price. From tumblers to wine glasses, the Verigan series adds elegance to any table setting. 21. Clipin Love Seat, $299. A compact, affordable seating option, the Clipin Love Seat is perfect for small spaces. It's been a bestseller for decades thanks to its simple design and wide range of slipcover options. 22. Torvin Kitchen Island, $399. The Torvin Kitchen Island is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, offering additional prep space and storage. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into most kitchens. 23. Trofast Storage Combination, $99. Designed for kids' rooms, the Trofast system is an easy way to organize toys and books. Its stackable, colorful bins make cleaning up fun and easy for children. 24. Gron Lid Sofa, $799. This deep-seated plush sofa offers ultimate comfort. Its modular design allows you to customize the shape and size to fit your space, and the removable covers make cleaning a breeze. 25. Auder Chair, $79. Made from renewable materials, the Auder Chair combines sustainability with modern design. It's easy to assemble and comes in various colors, making it a stylish choice for dining rooms. 26. Linman Tabletop, $39.99. The Linman Tabletop is a versatile and affordable option for creating a custom desk. Pair it with different leg options to suit your style. 27. Feda Artificial Plant, $7.99. IKEA's artificial plants are a hit with those who want greenery without the upkeep. The Feda series offers lifelike plants that are perfect for any room in the house. 28. Songs and Bed Frame, $179. This traditional-style bed frame offers underbed storage options and solid craftsmanship. Its classic design ensures it fits well in any bedroom decor. 29. OverAlt Stools, $39.99. These lightweight stools are great for extra seating or as side tables. They're stackable, making them easy to store when not in use. 30. Regolith Pendant Lampshade, $5.99. This paper pendant lampshade offers an affordable way to add ambient lighting to any room. Its simple design fits seamlessly into minimalist and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. IKEA's best-selling products combine functionality, style, and affordability, making them go-to options for countless households. Whether you're redecorating or organizing your space, these 30 items are worth adding to your shopping list. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.